Getting started and explain everything. This is a short video to give you a few tips and tricks about how to get started using Explain Everything. This is your home screen in Explain Everything. When you start a project, this is the screen you will be presented with these toolbars down the side and across the bottom. Starting at the top of the toolbar, this is your basic pointer tool. So this hand here, when you're clicked on that, you will be able to move things around within your project. It's just your basic point and click, and you should be on this hand tool when you're not doing anything else. Your next tool here, underneath the hand, is the pen. The pen is the tool that you can use to write with. It has different choices of sizes and colors that you can use. Right underneath the pen is the marker, so it's a little bit thicker, and you can also use it like a highlighter to highlight text if you change the color to a yellow or an orange. Underneath the pen and the marker, we have the Shapes tool. So with the Shapes tool, you can choose to insert different shape options that are listed in their menu, or you can draw your own shape as well. Again, useful to point things or circle things or set things up how you like. Underneath the shapes, we have the text. So with the text tool, you simply click on the letter A, double tap, and you are given a text box in which you then type, and your keyboard screen will come up, and it has all different fonts to choose from, different sizes. You can center things, you can align things, you can bold, highlight, underline, all the things that you can normally do with a text box. You can size it out, and then you can move it around within the screen. Those are just the first few cool things you can do with Explain Everything. One of the more important things you're going to want to do in Explain Everything is insert pictures and files and sounds. So in order to do that, you just click on this plus sign here, and it will give you a menu with a list of things that you can insert. Existing images and videos from your camera roll, files that you can pull from Dropbox, Evernote, anywhere that you have cloud-based files, a new browser, so you can insert a browser within that you can show a web page, a new picture, so you can take a photo within Explain Everything and use that photo, new video, same concept, you can take a video and insert it. You can insert existing audio from any of your music files, or you can record some new audio. So with an existing image or video, when you click on that button, this is what you'll get. So it shows you what you have on your camera roll. And then all you need to do from there is click on the image you want in your camera roll, and it comes up on a page like this, the image editor. You can use the image editor to crop. You can rotate 90 degrees, you can box it out, whatever you need to do. When the image is to your satisfaction, you just click on the Done button right up here, and then it will insert the video or the image right into your document, and within the document you can still size it and move it around wherever you need. When you want to insert a file, when you click on the File button, it will give you a list of options of where you can pull the file from. For example, if you wanted to pull the file from Dropbox, you can import the file, and then it will give you all the pages as part of the file, and you can select the pages that you want to insert into the current document. Those are just a few of the things that you can insert when you're using Explain Everything. The last couple of tips and tricks you need to know when you're first starting out with Explain Everything have to do with adding slides and adding sounds. So down here at the bottom, you can see it says slide 1 of 1, and there's a plus sign and a forward and a backwards. When you want to add a new slide, you just click the plus sign and you can add another slide, and then you will have two and you'll be able to toggle back and forth. If you click on this arrow right here, you can see all of your slides, and then you can move them around. So if you wanted to put another slide in front and make that the first slide, you can do that within as part of that. When you want to add recordings to your slides, it's right here. So you can see the picture of the microphone, you can see the timer, forward, play, record, and backwards. So you just press the record button and start talking, and when you're done, you just press the record button again or press the pause button that comes up and you're done. You can press the play to play it back, and you can press the rewind or forward to push it forward or backwards. You can also overwrite. So if you make a mistake, you can hold on to the record button and click overwrite and start again. Finally, when you're ready to save your project, you can click on this home button and it will pull up a screen that allows you to name your file and save it. And if you want to export your file, let's say to a YouTube video like this one, you just click this little export button with the arrow there, and you can click on YouTube as one of your options, and there are others as well. I hope this gives you a few ideas about how to get started with Explain Everything. Just dive right in there and see what you can explain.